Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you how to make a DIY heart-shaped name revealing board which is perfect for baby name announcements. It's super easy, budget friendly and adds a personal touch to the special moment. Without further delay, let's get into the video. Firstly, take a picture of your baby and go to a photo studio and ask them to edit the baby's photo in a heart shape along with the name to be clearly visible. Then print it as per your required size. Take a foam board and stick the photo to the foam board using Fevicol. After sticking the photo to the foam board, cut it in the heart shape. This will be the base of your board. Then cut the foam board as long strips to make the sides of the heart and stick it like I do with strong glue like on a bond. Once again, I am using Anabond to secure everything in place. Then make a small opening at the bottom of the heart and stick a small rope for revealing the name by pulling it gently. Now cut a matching heart shape from a clear plastic sheet but bigger than your base. I've sticked it with sellotape, but you can also use hot glue or double-sided tape along the edges and stick it to the foam board. Through the opening, fill in your colorful foam beads fully or halfway or until the name is hidden. Then seal the last part with paper tape. Finally, add decorative items like flowers, satin ribbon or stickers around the edge to make it extra pretty. Now it's time for the magic. Simply pull the rope so that the bottom part of the foam board open to let the beads flow out, revealing the name beautifully. And there you have it, a heart full of color and love, revealing the name in the sweetest way. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun DIYs like this.